So we're going to start here.
Okay.
Turn this way, yeah, on your back. And we're going to definitely check your low back the same way that you prefer, okay? Now, do you feel how this is tight up here?
Yeah.
So we're going to do that first. Drop.
Whoa.
How did that feel?
Good.
Tilt your chin down. Let it ride up a little bit. Let it relax again. Come up. Got it. How was that one?
Great.
And come down towards me. A little bit more. Good. So the first one I'm going to do is here by hand, okay? Big breath in and blow it out. Got it. Big breath in and blow it out. That's fine. So I'm going to lift it to right about here. Is that okay?
Yep.
And I'm also going to lower it to the fifth lumbar, to
Yep.
the lowest lumbar. So I'm going to lower it about 5 centimeters.
Yep.
Okay. Is that fine?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to start here. I think we got them all now. The first time we did it, it was
Yeah.
lie on your side facing me. We got a few today though.
Yep.
Does that feel nice? Does it
Yeah.
feel relaxing? So now we're going to position. We're going to do a little bit more with the lower back and finish up on that, okay? Wow. Big one, right?
Yeah.
Come to the other side. And we're going to lift this shoulder up a little bit. Got it.
Today with Kelly G Fit. You might recognize her from Instagram. We're gonna do something fun with Kelly today. We haven't done it in a YouTube video yet. We're gonna show, we're always talking about muscle engagement from nerves controlling muscle. So we're gonna show today a squat pre and post adjustment for all my athletes out there watching. So Kelly, let's see, and I guess from your perspective, we've done this before, but not on YouTube.
Yeah,
Let's do it. Cool.
All right.
So let's see.
So, no engagement. Ooh, feel that.
Okay.
And then a lot of engagement.
So I'm seeing it travel to the left for the people watching out there. The hips shifting left and then centering out. You can rewind it, watch it again if you want.
Engagement.
Okay. So it's first right and then it shifts left.
And I think that might be because I'm trying to engage so hard to correct it.
So we're gonna show an assessment to her spine and we can see neurologically how the spine alters the muscle engagement, and we'll have her move again at the end so we can see the difference. So she's accustomed to getting adjusted and she knows the process for the most part there. So when we look at the feet, if you've been watching our videos, you know we look at leg length because it tells us more about the alignment of the hip bones. Left one short, when I bring it up, it goes long. Telling us that left hip bone is moved back and down. First, there we go. See, she even knows what to do.
Assume the position.
Yes.
All right. Wait, I don't know. This way, right?
Yep,
The right
just like
arms?
that, yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna roll the whole body toward me and then push here at the end. Good. And then face down one more time for me, please. And then right through here in her mid back. the technical term for this, it's stuck. It's not moving. So let's actually have you turn over onto your back and we'll get this a little different way. If you know me out there, you know I like analogies. I used one on my Instagram this morning. It's like a rusted door hinge that's not moving. If it's stuck, we don't like it. I took a video literally of the door squeaking and then I sprayed WD-40 on it and then it didn't squeak. We're kind of doing the same thing. This is kind of like WD-40. Kelly's laughing at me. She thinks I'm weird. She knows.
You have the same jokes as my dad. I love it.
Dad joke strong. Right there. Big breath in. Let it all go. Good.
Ooh, that was a good one. I felt like I couldn't take a deep breath yesterday while I was trying to like run. So that feels so much better.
Good.
Oh, wow.
I love it. So Kelly's cool because, well, a few reasons she's cool. One,
A lot of reasons.
She maintains her spine, so most of the time I think you're in here, you're not really in any pain. Today she was saying before, she's got little aches and pains, but a little push at the end. The first one was my finger.
I was like, wait, who popped?
Wait
You
a
or
minute.
me?
There we go. And immediately that upper trap.
I released everything that was
Let's
pulling
go.
on this side of my head too, for whatever reason.
And then we're gonna check the jaw also. You were mentioning some jaw tension. So
Yeah.
let's see the jaw move actually slowly open. Okay, and then close. Yeah. And then one more time slowly. Okay, and then close. I'm gonna point something out for the YouTubers and then we're gonna have you redo it one more time so they can see it. The jaw should be like a couple of hinges that swing open. On the right side it's stuck, so since it's not moving over here, it's shifting that way. There it goes right, and then it levels out, and I'm feeling the joint here on the right side, and that's also where I'm feeling it. Yeah, right there, it gets stuck and then it opens up and it's moving fine. So we're actually gonna make a correction there on that right side. We've done it previously in the past, and I think
Only my right teeth touched too. I noticed when I was doing that, my right teeth touched before my left too.
today I'm gonna use my hand to do it. So right there. So I'm gonna be right on that joint and then give it a push at the end. So I'm gonna have you slightly open. There.
Oh, trippy.
Now let's have you slowly open. Now it doesn't swing right. It's opening straight down, and then at the end we still have that swing off to the left. And let me feel. So same thing as you move it there. So now it's moving correctly on this side also. It's the left side that's a little bit too mobile, and we're gonna give some exercises for that. I'm gonna show that actually on camera so people can see. I think I've showed them before, but I'm gonna show them again for anyone watching out there. So jutting your jaw to the side. And then
So like
it.
push
do it
forward
both
and then
ways.
out?
No, straight off to the right, and then push against it with resistance and hold it there. And hold it there for about 8 seconds. And then we're gonna do the same. And do you feel that on this left side especially when you do that?
Well, I feel like after we adjusted that, like something's just went and just like relaxed over here. So I feel
Yeah.
like right now I'm so aware of this muscle.
So something with what she just said too, a muscle will pull tight to try to make a correction on a joint when it's out of place. When we move it back into place, the muscle immediately relaxes. So that's what you're feeling there.
Yeah.
Hot now.
Oh, yeah.
And let's see what that looks like.
Okay.
Same way.
Okay. No brace.
Okay. Yeah.
Feel smooth.
Yeah, looks smooth.
And then with a brace, we'll show one. It feels the same. Like,